have the custom, the Sfaradim have the custom to say nefilat apaim and vidui. We say Anna, we say Yahavor, and other congregations, some have the custom to say the David, some don't have the custom, but that's our custom. Now that has to be said during the day. Person cannot say it at night. You're not allowed to say this part of the tefillah at night. Therefore, you started off on time, you prayed minha amidah on time, but by the time you finish minha, you finished hazara, it already is very late. It happens definitely in the winter time, but even in the summertime, sometimes when you're praying the later minyanim, a lot of times people pray with the last few minutes, and they're hitting within after the shikiyah, they're within shikiyah time, and a little bit after the shikiyah, and therefore when it comes to the end of Amidah Hazara, already it's 15-20 minutes already after shikiyah. It says, the halakha says, Lo yomru vidui ve'yudgim amidot. Then in that case, you finish Hazara, you see it's too late, don't say any more vidui, you don't say Anna, that's it, you go Yishem, and you say Kaddish right away. However, but it's within the first 13 and a half minutes, which is called Ben Hashemashot, it's still considered the twilight zone. In between, possibly day, possibly night, it's a safek. In that case, mutar lomar vidui. Then you are allowed to say vidui and nefilat apaim, it's not a problem. So again, before Shekiyah, everyone agrees you say it. From Shekiyah until the 13 and a half minutes, that's the twilight zone. If that's when you got to it, you're allowed to say it still. After the 13 and a half minutes, that's it. You don't say, what is the shul saying it? Okay, so you can answer with them, but you don't have to say it. Person should not say it. He should not be part of the minyan. Really, you should tell them, by the way, it's already too late, and you're not allowed to say it. You're not allowed to say the vidui, even though, again, they might have started praying properly. That's when they started praying before the 13 and a half minutes. He brings down one more halakha. Ahar amirat vidui nefilat apaim. They have to say Kaddish and Kaddish to Kabal, but be very careful, he says, not to be mafsik. A person is not allowed to make any kind of mafsik ben the tefillah and the Kaddish, because the Kaddish is really going back on the tefillah. Again, those that don't say Anna, those that don't say Vidui, they have to say it immediately after the Amidah. So therefore the Kaddish is going directly on the Amidah. However, even if the way we do it, our custom is that we do say Anna, the Kaddish is going back on the tefillah, and therefore there should be no hefsek, no talking, no anything in between. Again, the Amidah, the Anna, and the Kaddish, there should be no kind of hefsek in order that the Kaddish is really going back on the tefillah that we just said.